Quick and easy video on how to wire your Mark 6 for trailer lights if you have VLand aftermarket taillights. So what you're going to do is you can pop this grommet out to feed your wires through real quick. And I don't have a rear valance, so it's a little bit different, but I bent this forward a little bit because it was already hit in a previous crash. And then I just ran the wire to here, which works for now. I'm probably going to have to get an extender for this for some trailers, but for mine, it works. And then I pop this rear cover off here, which is really simple to do. Just literally pulls out. There's just some clips holding it. Then you're going to want to find the wires. So what I did for the blinkers, the lights that are supposed to go up to the top for the sequential, which I don't have wired up because I didn't feel like running that and I don't care. I tapped in for the trailer lights, for the trailer blinkers, and then this brown wire is going to be for your running lights and for your brake lights, which is tapped into this green wire that's coming off of this plug over here. You see that here, tapped, black is ground. This is for trailer running lights and brake lights, how I have it running. And then that back there is your ground wire. And I just choose a simple same ground location as factory, and I just put a ring terminal on the end of the trailer ground wiring. And on this side, it's basically the same. I just ran the yellow wire to the yellow wire over here. And that's basically all you have to do. Put it back in. It's really quick. It's really simple, especially on something like this, to run a trailer that looks something like this.